Model T Ford. Henry Ford introduced his everyman's car, the Model T, on October 1st, 1908. It was built at the Ford's Piquette Avenue plant and assembled by hand, resulting in small production numbers. Only 11 cars were made during the first month. At the beginning of 1908, there were fewer than 200,000 cars on the road. Henry Ford wanted the Model T to be affordable, simple to operate, and durable. The vehicle was one of the first mass production vehicles, allowing Ford to achieve his aim of manufacturing the universal car. In 1909, a new Model T cost $850, but by 1924 the price had gone down to only $260. The average assembly line worker could purchase one with 4 months' pay in 1914. The Model T was first tested by Henry Ford himself, who took the vehicle on a hunting trip to Wisconsin and northern Michigan. The Model T became famous for the stunts it could perform, including climbing the stairs of the Tennessee State Capitol and reaching the top of Pikes Peak. After the test of his own product, the vehicle was shipped to its first customer on October 1st, 1908. The revolutionary vehicle saw the placement of the steering wheel on the left side, allowing passengers easy access to and from the cars. The vehicle was also the first to have its engine block and crankcase cast as a single unit, the first to have a removable cylinder head for easy access, and the first to make such extensive use of the lightweight but strong alloy known as vanadium steel. The Model T's agile transmission made shifting gears easy for everyone. These improvements and innovations allowed the world to move towards a more urban way of life. The early Model T came with a toolkit, packed the gas tank under the front passenger seat, provided a windshield as an option before it was standardized, and had to be cranked to get it going. The famous quote about the Model T, of "you could have any color as long as it's black," was true only after 1913. The car at first had paint colors corresponding with body style. For example, touring cars were red and roadsters were gray. When it was discovered that black paint dried significantly faster than other colors, paint color was no longer optional. The vehicle also became famous for its unique nickname, Tin Lizzie. There are various accounts of how this nickname was acquired by the Model T. Possible origins include the popularity of the female name Lizzie during that period to a famous Model T race car named Old Liz. Despite the popularity of the nickname Tin Lizzie, the Model T had dozens of nicknames. Popular, Henry Ford once said, "There's no use trying to pass a Ford because there's always another one just ahead." By the early 1920s, more than half of the registered automobiles in the world were Fords. In May of 1927, the Ford Motor Company ceased production of the Model T after producing more than 15 million. In 1999, the Model T was named the Car of the Century due to its impact on both the industry and society.